Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do question number 5th on page number 23. Here is the question. Here some journal entries are given which are written by Ishwar Lal, and we have to pass rectification entries to rectify them. Here first one is Kishan's account debit to cash account 7,000. But how we will find the error? We will find the error by reading narration, that is, being the salary of current month rupees 7,000 paid to Kishan. Here in the narration it is given that 7,000 is the amount of salary of current month which is paid to Kishan. Now we will apply the two principles to rectify this error. That is, do what is correct. What entry should have been passed here? Here, salary account should have been debited. So to rectify error, first we will apply the principle, that is, do what is correct, and according to that, salary account will be debited, as we know that salary is the expense of business, and as per the rule of nominal account, so salary account will be debited. And now we will apply the second principle, that is, undo what is wrong. First we will have to identify what is the wrong entry passed. Here Kishan's account is debited, that is wrong entry. That means salary account Kishan's account debit is wrong. So this one needs to be reversed, or we can say that it should be credited in the rectification entry. So here Kishan's account will be credited. So let us see our rectified journal entry. Here it is, salary account debit rupees 7,000 to Kishan account, that is 7,000, and in narration we will write, being rectification entry for the salary paid to Kishan wrongly debited to his personal account. Now let us see next journal entry. Here it is, purchase account. In second journal entry, purchase account is debited by rupees 9,500 and Clinton's account is credited by rupees 9,500. But in narration it is given that being the goods of rupees 9,500 sold to Clinton on credit. As we can see here, as per the narration, here goods have not been purchased from Clinton. Instead, goods have been sold to Clinton. So here purchase account should not have been debited. So let us understand the entry for rectification. Let us see working note for this first. So here is the working note for this. We will solve it in 4 steps. In the first step, we will write the wrong entry which has actually been passed. Here it is. First step, purchase account is debited by rupees 9,500 and Clinton's account is credited by rupees 9,500 by mistake. Now, in the second step, we will write the reverse of the wrong entry to nullify the effect of wrong entry. Here it is, or we can say that we will apply the principle here, that is, undo what is wrong. So here we will write the reverse of wrong entry, that is Clinton's account debit to purchase account. Now in the third step, we will write the correct entry which should have been passed. So as here goods have been sold, so, and that is too on credit. So as per real account rule, sales account will be credited, and as per personal account rule, as Clinton is the receiver of goods, so here Clinton's account should have been debited. So Clinton's account's debit to sales account, this entry will be the correct entry which we will write in third step. Now let us compare step number 2 and step number 3. That means in step 4, we will pass the rectifying entry, which will be the net effect of the correct entry, that is step number 3, and reverse of the wrong entry, that is step number 2. So net effect of step 2 and step 3 will be passed. Here it is, as you can see here. In step number 2, Clinton's account is debited by rupees 9,500, and in step number 3, Clinton's account is debited by rupees 9,500. So in both the steps, Clinton account is debited. So here 9,500 plus 9,500, that comes to 19,000. So in step number 4, that is entry for rectification, Clinton's account will be debited by rupees 19,000. Now, in step number 2, purchase account is credited by rupees 9,500. So here also we will write purchase account credit 9,500 in step number 4. And what else is remaining in both the steps? Here in step number 3, sales account is credited by rupees 9,500. So in fourth step, that is entry for rectification also, here we will write to sales account 9,500. So here we have applied both the principles, that is undo what is wrong, that is reverse of wrong entry, and do what is correct, that is step number 3. So with the help of the net effect of step 2 and step 3, here rectification entry would be Clinton's account debit 19,000 to purchase account 9,500 to sales account 9,500. Now let us see. Here it is, Clinton's account debit by rupees 19,000 to sales account 9,500 to purchase account 9,500. Now let us see next journal entry. Here it is, journal entry number 3rd. Here purchase account is debited by rupees 17,100 and cash account is credited by rupees 17,100. And in narration it is given that being the goods worth rupees 20,000 purchased at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So according to narration, this entry is correct, but one entry is missing here, that is entry for cash discount. So in rectification entry, we will write the entry for cash discount which is missing, and it will be called as error of omission. So let us see. Here, as cash discount is received as and as per the rule of nominal account, it will be credited as it is an income for the business. So here entry would be purchase account debit to discount account. Now let us see amount for that. Here amount is 900. That means here in the question it is given that goods worth rupees 20,000 purchased at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. So first we will deduct 10% trade discount from 20,000. So that comes to 18,000. And from that, on that, we will calculate 5% cash discount. So 5% of 18,000 is 900. So that is the amount of cash discount. So our rectifying journal entry would be purchase account debit to discount account amount 900. Now let us see next entry. So here is journal entry number 4th. Here brokerage account is debited by rupees 16,000 and cash account is credited by rupees 16,000. But in narration it is given that being the brokerage rupees 16,000 paid for the purchase of machinery for business. So here we can see that cash account is credited, that is correct. But here brokerage account should not have been debited. So to rectify this error, we will apply the two principles, that is do what is correct. Here, according to this principle, that is do what is correct, here machinery account should have been debited as 16,000 is the amount which is paid for the purchase of asset, that is for purchase of machinery. So it should have been debited to that respective asset account, that means the machinery account. So here machinery account should have been debited. So according to the principle, that is do what is correct, machine account will be debited, and according to the principle, that is undo what is wrong, here what is the wrong entry here? Here brokerage account is debited, that is the wrong entry. So it needs to be reversed. So that means it should be credited. So let us see our rectifying journal entry. Here it is. According to the principle, do what is correct, that is here, that's why here machine account will be debited. And according to the principle, that is undo what is wrong, according to that brokerage account will be credited by rupees 16,000. Now let us see journal entry number 5th. Here it is. Cash account is debited by rupees 4,500 and Karina's account is credited by rupees 4,500. And in the narration, it is given that being the amount of rupees 4,500 written off as bad debts last year received in current year from Karina. That means this is the amount of bad debts recovered. So as it is an income, so here bad debts recovered account should have been credited. But instead of that, they have credited Karina's account, which is wrong. So let us see the rectifying journal entry. Here it is. In the question, cash account is debited, which is correct, but Karina's account should not have been credited. So here we will apply the principle, that is undo what is wrong. Here wrong entry is passed, that is Karina's account is credited. So we will reverse it. So here Karina's account will be debited. So here we will write Karina account debit, that is amount is 4,500, and as bad debt recovered is income for the business, so as per nominal account it should have been credited. So here according to the principle, do what is correct, we will credit bad debts recovered account by rupees 4,500. So our rectifying entry would be Karina's account debit to bad debts recovered account. So I hope it is clear to you all how these rectification entries are passed. So in this question, remaining journal entry, rectifying remaining journal entry, you have to do in homework. You have to try it by yourself for your practice. So that's all for today. Thank you.